Good evening, guys. Bitcoin is ripping. As we called it, give yourself a pat on the back, guys. Whenever you see this pattern, remember it. It is something that is a bearish pattern, but for Bitcoin on the daily, it is, I don't know why, it's bullish. I've had my hands burnt with this pattern before, and that's why it's kind of stuck in my head. So even though there was liquidity downstairs, when I saw this pattern in the breakout here, now if we just go on the weekly, look at it, guys. If yous are not feeling bullish, I don't know what I could do to help you here. But this is super bullish. We're over 100 grand. If we get a close above, superb. It might chop around 100 for a wee bit. You know, I don't mind if it does, but we are hitting that all-time high very soon, and we're going to be breaking out very soon, guys. Like I said, you know, we use liquidity to track all this chop here, and we got it. And then we used technical analysis. When price was coming right down in here, we were using technical analysis here on the head and shoulders. That kept us in the market. And then once we got above here and we did the breakout on the major, I said Bitcoin just tends to rip here. And even though there's liquidity here, Bitcoin, once it's done and it sets off, it just tends to go, and it does not let people come back. And this move up here, I think a lot of people are waiting to just get the rebuy in here, but it's just absolutely moved. So brilliant there on Bitcoin, but this is potentially, and now I might be very early saying this, but there is signs of alt season arriving. Now, look guys, look here. I want you to see this. See where my arrow is? Ethereum is outpacing Bitcoin today by 9%. It's moved 9% higher than Bitcoin's moved up. And bearing in mind, Bitcoin's moved up 5%. Ethereum is on 14% currently. It's just woken up. Now, anyone that's been watching this channel is, you know, I have been on this Ethereum Bitcoin and Bitcoin Ethereum chart like a hawk. You know, from December 21, no close above, no close above, no close above, all the way down here. And I was saying here, now we haven't got a confirmed breakout. I said it's just popped up and it's chopped around. I need to see a candle to see this breakout. And what did we get? This huge candle here. And what did I say, guys? I said the FOMC meeting's coming today. I said there will be a countdown. Yesterday. There will be a countdown. 3 days, 2 days, 1 day. Bitcoin will show its hand. And we've got it here. Bitcoin's pumping, but Ethereum is waking up against Bitcoin. And if Ethereum wakes up against Bitcoin, the alts start waking up against Bitcoin. This is massive, because if we look at Ethereum Bitcoin, look, it's back to pretty much, it's almost at the bottom of where the whole Ethereum run up started against Bitcoin. See it? It's almost at a full reset. And look at that, it's starting to break out now. So this is huge news for alts. Now guys, if you have watched the channel, you'll know this channel. You'll know this chart. Now, this is the number Ethereum Bitcoin can buy. And when this is running up, 1 Bitcoin can buy 40 Ethereum. It can buy 50 Ethereum. It can buy 60 Ethereum. Because Bitcoin's running harder than Ethereum. But when Ethereum runs harder than Bitcoin, this price goes down. And when Ethereum's running harder than Bitcoin, that is alt season. So you've had this 1 angle, 2 angle, 3 angle, 4 angle. We've even got a 5th angle here, and it's a break. and it's starting to come down. So if we see a break of this second angle, you know, this is already a very early sign of alt season. We've got very early sign of alt season here, guys. And then look, stable coins. What did we say? It's created a descending triangle. It's come right up there. It's had the RSI bearish divergence. It's broke that trend line. And look, guys, I even drew that. I was like, price just goes down and it's going to wriggle along and it's going to dump. And I've almost called it straight from that random scribble there. So the stable coins breaking down is very bullish, because that means people are rotating from stable coins into crypto. And now we're seeing Bitcoin pump, and we're seeing the alts running harder than Bitcoin, especially Ethereum. So guys, this is very bullish, very, 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 very bullish. And what else have we got? If we go in the daily and we go into our global liquidity index, we've got that pumping as well. And we haven't even hit that big window yet. Let me just pull this down a little bit just to see. We haven't even hit that big window yet of this. Wait till this comes in, and then wait till this move comes up, and then wait till that move comes up. Guys, we are just about to make so much money here. We are about to make so much money. And you know what? There is still... how many? Let's just go on 80, 70 days. So that's two and a half months left of up price at least. And if this keeps on breaking out on the global liquidity, then it's just going to continue running up. So guys, let's make some cash. We're on it, guys. We are on it. If you've followed the channel, we've managed to negotiate this price action that was very, very, very tricky here, using my liquidity system and also using technical analysis. And when we got the breakout here, we ignored the liquidity system and we used the technical analysis. And then now we're on the move. So guys, I hope these are all still in the market. We're about to make some money. Bitcoin's about to start moving hard and fast. This, I said it's going to be a lockout rally. It's not going to give people a chance to get back in, and that's exactly what it's doing here. So guys, sit back, seatbelts on, ready for a face melter. Brilliant. Yeah guys, that's it. I think I'm going to have to do an update at some point. Maybe not this weekend, maybe next weekend on the altcoin season. I've kind of timed that roughly once a month, but the way this is moving, guys, I have been waiting for this candle. I've been waiting for this candle for 3 years. And it's not confirmed. Of course, price can bounce back and it might come back for a retest. But look, it's never closed above these trend lines. And we've got 1, 2, 3. So, no, it's super bullish, guys. It's really, really bullish here. I've had this trend line waiting here for so long to put in, and it's almost kind of getting to the point where I can almost put that angle in. Oh, we're about to make a lot of money, guys. I hope you're all still in the market. Yeah. Aye, I'm buzzing, that's for sure. Anyway, guys, I'll keep in touch. I'll probably put another video up tomorrow. The market's starting to wake up, which is good. I've left it a couple of days because this range was just, price was just doing nothing there. But now price is starting moving, liquidity start forming, and then we can start putting the puzzles together to see the next moves. But all bullish, guys. All very, very bullish. I hope you're all making money. Nice one, guys. See you tomorrow. Cheers. Bye.